Hi, Melissa Dealey back with another edition of Health Hack. And this week I'm diving into nutrition and the fact that the way that you need to fuel your body for optimal function is unique. And did you know that 4% of the population has what we call a true food allergy? And those are the ones with that anaphylactic reaction. And the most typical triggers of that are peanuts, soy, fish, shellfish, and dairy. But then there's another 90% of the population that suffer from food sensitivities. Now, a food sensitivity is when there is an immune response in your body as a result of that food getting into your bloodstream. And there are 8 very common triggers of food sensitivities. The big 8 are dairy from a cow, obviously, eggs, mostly the egg white, gluten, soy, tree nuts, peanuts, shellfish, and then regular fish. Now, these allergies or these sensitivities, I should say, are not something that trigger an anaphylactic reaction, but they can trigger symptoms that just make you feel blah. They can trigger brain fog. They can trigger joint pain. They can trigger a ongoing nasal drip, or the mucosal layer is struggling with processing it, etc. They can trigger skin rashes. So there's many different ways that these skin or these food sensitivities can show up. And then we also have the word intolerance that you hear a lot, food intolerances. And intolerances are actually triggered by the digestive system not being able to process the food well because of weak digestion or that food causing digestive stress on the body. And so they are not the same as food sensitivities. Digestive stress you can notice right away, whereas the food sensitivities could take 24 to 72 hours to notice the symptoms, by which time it's really hard to point it back to a specific food because we eat a lot of different things throughout our days and we don't remember what we ate yesterday, let alone 3 days ago. And that's where the lab testing for food sensitivities can come in really handy because we test 190 different foods. And in that process, it really pinpoints what your body is struggling with. And in the next episode, I will let you know why that is so important.